Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we are going strong to close out the year with tons of updates. So just heads up. Whoa, my camera needs to switch, but whatever. Hey. So anyways, I'll switch for the next video. But this is an update for WordPress. Now, real quick, if you didn't know this, we have WordPress hosting. Our WordPress hosting is like as fast as everybody else's WordPress hosting. The difference is it's less expensive because we don't, we basically try to run it as close to cost as we can. And as a result, it's just a nice add-on service. So if you haven't checked it out, check out the docs. There's lots of WordPress hosting. But as a way to continue to make WordPress hosting better, we're also always trying to do things like help with troubleshooting. Because the number one issue that we run into with WordPress hosting is clients and or sometimes agency owners accidentally deleting, destroying, or otherwise breaking a website. And they always sort of come to us and say, like, I don't get it. What the heck happened? And it turns out that what the heck happened was I installed a plugin that was bad, or I changed some code and I didn't realize it was going on, or whatever, and it just killed the whole thing. So anyways, we're just continuing to try to give ways to help it. So we have things like you can restore from backups and all this, but check this out. Now let's go over here. You can restore the htaccess file. So WordPress uses this file to manipulate how the web server serves files from different directories. And sometimes if you get 502 or 500 errors, that can be a way to fix that. And then also the restoration of the WP config file, because a lot of times when you have like a database connection error, that tends to be the file that got destroyed. So these are ways that you can actually go through and work on this. So every time there's a file change, we'll save it out. And then if that breaks it, you just hit the restore button and you're back in business. So anyways, on that note, I hope all of you are having an awesome Tuesday, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.